English-Bharia, have.
+1.
Made easy. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Let's make have fun. Today you'll learn how to say have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you, plural, have, and they have in Bharia, with laughs, drills, and quick wins. Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. You'll master the core forms of have fast and clearly. Say them out loud with me. Have.
+1.
I have.
मेरे पास.
You have, singular.
तुम्हारे पास.
He has.
इसके पास.
She has.
इसके पास.
It has.
इसके पास.
We have.
हमारे पास.
You have, plural.
तुम लोग के पास.
They have.
भी के पास हो.
Mini dialogue. Listen, smile, and repeat. You've got this. A. Do you have water?
क्या तुम्हारे पास पानी.
B. Yes, I have water.
हाँ मेरे पास पानी.
A. He has the map.
है फंस के पास.
B. She has the key.
चांदी से के पास.
A. It has a tail.
से के पास कुछ.
B. We have time.
हमारे पास समय.
A. You have the tickets. Plural.
तुम लोग के पास टिकट.
B. They have extra chairs.
ये के पास अतिरिक्त घर से हूँ.
Laugh break. Tiny story, big grin. A squirrel shouts, I have all the nuts, while its pockets jingle. I have, I have, I have. Then it bows and whispers.
मेरे पास.
Quick drills. Call and response. I say English, you say Bharia. Beat the pause. Have.
+1.
I have.
मेरे पास.
You have, singular.
तुम्हारे पास.
He has.
इसके पास.
She has.
इसके पास.
It has.
इसके पास.
We have.
हमारे पास.
You have, plural.
तुम लोग के पास.
They have.
भी के पास हो.
Culture tip. The, with, trick. Here's the secret sauce. In Bharia, Hindi-style possession, you say, with, near X is Y. That's why, I have, is.
मेरे पास.
Literally, near me is. Singular uses, hi, hi. Plural uses, hiam, hain, they have.
भी के पास हो.
The general diction for have is.
+1.
Quiz time. Answer out loud, then check. Q1, say, they have. A1.
भी के पास हो.
Q2, say, we have water. A2.
हमारे पास पानी.
Q3, say, you have, singular, the key. A3.
तुम्हारे पास चाबी.
Q4, say, she has the map. A4.
अपने कार्य के पास
Q5, what's the general verb, have? A5.
बस होन
Final challenge. Beat the clock. Say each one before the reveal. I have a plan.
मेरे पास योजना
You have time. Singular.
तुम्हारे पास समय
He has a pen.
इसके पास कलम
She has the map.
अपने कार्य के पास
It has a tail.
इसके पास कुछ
We have water.
हमारे पास पानी
You have tickets. Plural.
तुम लोग के पास टिकट
They have ideas.
इनके पास विचार हो
Wrap up and thanks. Great job, your brain just leveled up. You nailed have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you, plural, have, and they have, plus the Bharia patterns like
मेरे पास
and.
भी के पास हो
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice a little every day and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons. See you next time.